welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with y'all a 2-minute dessert that you can make at home. It's very simple and easy to make, but it is worth trying because you're going to love it. Trust me, I personally love it like anything, and that is why I thought of sharing it with y'all today. And if you're interested to know how I made this, please keep watching, because this dessert can be eaten hot as well as can be eaten when it is refrigerated. It will taste almost like an ice cream. It's amazing. So if you're new around here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And without any further ado, let's get started. First thing we need is rava or suji. This makes the dessert's consistency perfect. And the next thing we need is milk. We have only 2 ingredients in this dessert and it's amazing. So first I add in 1 teaspoon of rava, and in this I add a little bit of water and mix it really well. And then I add a glass of milk. So make sure to mix the water and rava really well. Then only the rava will soak really well, and then you can add the milk. And keep mixing the milk until it becomes a little thick. Keep it in simmer for some time, then you can raise the flame a little in order to adjust it. So you keep stirring, and you can see the milk is a little thickened because of the rava or suji. So keep mixing it, otherwise it will just catch down and it won't be good. So mix it continuously like this, but trust me, the result will be amazing and you will really love this. So keep mixing it really well. And now you can see it's boiling a little. Put it in simmer back again. It should not boil. If it boils too much, then it will catch under. So just nicely mix it gently. Just mix it and just leave it on the flame for some time, and you can see now it's forming the consistency, and you can see the rava particles have nicely soaked and become well. And then just turn off the flame and let it to cool for some time. And once it cools, you can serve it in a serving dish. That's it. It's very simple to make, but if you want it in a nice, more thick consistency, you can keep it in the refrigerator for some time and it will turn out to be very nice and thick like an ice cream, and you will love it. You can also feed this to your children or anyone. They will really love it as a dessert in the afternoon or anytime you wish. And then I add a little bit of raisins to this. You can add cashews, pista, badam, anything. Just add a little bit to give the nice extra flavor if you want to, otherwise just leave it. And you can see our beautiful dessert is ready. You can see the consistency. It looks so good and it's so shining because of the rava or suji particles. And yeah, just trust me and drink this and see, you will love it. So this is the final look. I've served it into a serving bowl, small cute little container. You can serve it in anything, any container you like. So do try this out. That's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to try this recipe out. I mean, really, don't forget to try this out. You're really going to love it and it's going to become your personal favorite. Trust me on that. And if you try, don't forget to comment down below if you liked it. You surely will. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on my Instagram to see more IGTV videos over there. Thank you so much for watching, and let's see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.